Hey shoppers, I wanted to share this product that I got from Amazon with you. It's a personal hammock. It came with these 2 nylon straps, and this particular hammock, it comes in this cute little pouch first of all, but it also is a really nice fabric, super comfortable. It's a breathable, just a really nice fabric. It comes with the instructions to let you know how to strap it to your trees, or in my case, I have actual hammock posts that I'm going to be able to install my lovely hammock to. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you in just a few. So here I'm going to attach this strap to my post. Of course, this came with instructions so that you can read and use so that you're obviously strapping it safely, but you just place the nylon through that little loop there, and then you can wrap it around your post however many times that you need to, so that your hammock is at the right level, height, and size for the distance of your trees. I'm going to wrap this around a few times like so. And then back through that little loop, and that's going to allow me to have the distance that I can then attach my hook that comes with the hammock right to whichever loop is going to suit the distance. We can start out, maybe we'll try it at the end to start, and it may need an adjustment once I get the other side done. So let me go do the other side. Set that down. And again, I'll put it through there and wrap it around a few times. And I may need to adjust that once I see how far my hammock is. Seems to be a pretty good fit, but I think I'll do it maybe on the second or third. We'll try it on the end. Why not? And then I have a really nice snug fit, and my hammock looks nice and ready for me to pop right in there. Again, this fabric is a nice breathable, easy to wash. It's lightweight, so it's going to keep you nice and cool, and it's going to be perfect for those lazy days. So as you can see, this is a nice, cozy, very cool, nice hammock. Yeah, I think I'm going to enjoy this evening laying in my hammock. Thanks for watching.